Dragi so ustvarjalci.
Veliko damo.
She is a true symbol of India-Slovenia friendship. We just had a beautiful celebration for her birthday. We gave her a ball to play with, a cake made up of fruits and vegetables, and we gave her a few special gifts. What she likes, watermelons. We celebrated her birthday, and I would like to thank Ljubljana Zoo for taking such good care of her. We are proud of Ganga. We are proud of the Ljubljana Zoo. Happy birthday, Ganga.